make we chat, make we reason. I want to talk truth with me now. One of the most stressful things you can do nowadays is go grocery shopping. Yeah man, when you go grocery shopping nowadays, you have to make sure you take all of your medication before, or as soon as you reach home, you take all of your medication them off. Because after the cashier done, boop, 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 and they say to you, your total is. And you hear the total. You say how much? Said speed you pronounce. You will hear the machine beep 3 times. Boop, boop, boop. You glance over and look on the computer, 10 grand, and you have 40 odd sitting in your trolley. You have to go and like you left something.
No, I think I left toothpaste. That soup for me.
You know, say you not go back. As a matter of fact, what you do, you go pick up the 3 items, them different, and then go one different cashier. Cause you know want the embarrassment. Remember one time when the parents them go shop and I come back with all 4, 5, 6 bags. Eh? Load up with food. Nowadays, master, you're lucky if you come back with this much. And if you have this much, 10 grand. And guess what in there? Guess what in there? Guess what in there? A cheap pack of ramen, brother. The last year for 9 months. God. Hey, you see in time when you're ready for riot, you make me know. Yeah man, cause I'm tired of fooling it, brother. Tired of fooling it. Anytime when you're ready, you make me know. And not to mention, say them a charge people for grocery bag same way. Like, you can't ease up, man. You can't give you a little bag them free. So man, I go and like all and charge with the ear we go in that bag. Yo, I stress. I stress.